Viewers, now we're going to show you how to make vegan Thai curry. First of all, we're going to use some vegetable oil in a pan. Viewers, have a look the beautiful vegetables we got. We got some baby corn, we got broccoli, we got celery, carrot, we got some red pepper, cauliflower. We're going to mix all of them together. Oh, it's going to be lovely. We add our carrot first. Then we're going to add our cauliflower, red pepper, celery, broccoli and baby corn. Look at the beautiful color. Wow, they look really appealing. Wow. Viewers, now we're going to season it. Salt and then pepper. I prefer mine one lots of pepper. Viewers, now we're going to put our beautiful green curry paste to it. Viewers, now we're going to add our coconut milk. Viewers, it's freezing cold here, so basically even the coconut milk, they sets in the tin. Viewers, now we're going to add just the seasoning and we're going to add a little bit of lime juice to it. So it's going to balance the whole lot. Viewers, my vegan version of Thai green curry is ready to serve. We're going to serve it now. Viewers, that's my beautiful, colorful Thai green curry vegan version. Wow, look at the color. Look at how pretty they look. Aren't they look appealing? I would love to enjoy that. Bon appetit and enjoy my beautiful vegan Thai curry. Viewers, if you enjoy the video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and put your thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Bye.